Hi, I'm so happy to be with you for another nature walk talk. Well, as you can see, I'm in a walled garden here at Todd's Point. It's really a very beautiful sanctuary, and I wanted to come to see the early spring buds and share them with you. So let's take a breath. This transition between winter and spring brings so much hope and reminds me, which I suppose is the message today, of how important it is to be patient and to notice the changes along the way as we have a goal, as we're trying to achieve something, whatever it is. I mean, we all know that this plant, this beautiful tree, what it will look like when it's in full bloom. So right now, we just look and we wait. We know what these daffodils will look like. But right now we appreciate where they are in their growth cycle. Oh, here's a beauty. So can we be as patient and kind with ourselves as we are trying to grow, as we are trying to change? Because we want to be there already. We don't want to do the work. But look. It's worth it. We have to grow, we have to take our time, and we must appreciate each stage of the growth cycle. So as we enjoy this day in nature, please remember that again, the lessons are all around us. So as we are going through whatever it is we're going through to grow, to change, whether we want to or not, appreciate each step of the way. Thanks for joining me for this Nature Walk Talk.